Hello, John from Palm Beach Customs. This is 78 Jeep CJ-7 Quadra Trac. All-wheel drive, going with basically stock size tires, all brand new chassis, and complete rebuild. Stock leaf springs though, no lift on this one. It's going to look pretty cool. Going for the old school look. And we've got everything's original on this Jeep except the tires. We chose some Wranglers and Duratracs. Let's give you a little shot underneath. She's clean. And it's going to have the black rocker guards right here. You know, they go right along the rocker panels. Back into the engine compartment, we've got an Eldenbrock intake, quick fuel carb, single wire GM distributor. Integral regulator alternator, new radiator, stock manifolds, going to do stainless steel exhaust on it. Chose a black windshield frame. You see the new windshield rubber right there. Cowl rubber, new glass rubber, new glass. And this one has a switch in the glove box. Turns the four-wheel drive on. Going with the Tuffy box for the music. Lock box. Has a spray-on bed liner. The older Jeeps have the red side markers on the quarters. The new tailgate's all in. Hinges are all done. Got a little switch thing here. Is going to be for some accessories. Right on the left side of the steering column. Speaker pod down there. Forgot what this has. Does this have a Kenwood in it? JVC. JVC. Loose tooth. Seats are ready to go in. Spray on bed liner on the floor. We love these little floor mats, Quadra Trac Automatic. It's got the zero lift shackles in the back and the front. The whole underside of the body was shot in spray on liner as well. So this thing's sealed up nice. Nice heavy duty bumper with tow hitch.